Hey guys, welcome inside Illustrator. So I'm using the last version of Illustrator. So first we have to change our workspace. We need some panels. So we are going in window here. In workspace, you can take a look here. There is maybe some workspace could be useful for everyone. Okay. So actually I will use the panel color, the panel stroke, the panel line and pathfinder, and my little panel layer. And on the left here I have all my tools. Okay, if you want this type of panel, you go in window here and you just check, for example, if I need the action panel, I click on it and up, I have the panel just here. You can close it with this button here, up, and if you want the gradient panel, boom. Okay, so for example here the gradient panel was linked with some other panels, so it's for this I got like all these others panel together. Alright, so I close it. I just need all this panel. I need to check the color settings on my file, so I'm going in file and document color mode. So okay, good. So I am actually in RGB color. So good. So RGB color, it's for web, for games, for everything, for web design, everything. CMYK, it's for printing. Okay. So normally, I mean sometimes when we are working, you can work like this, like you put some colors. You know, we just go and show options here. Good. Put this here, yes, up, stroke here, pathfinder here, boom. Alright, so in the fill, boom. Okay, so for example I'm working in because this can happen sometimes, so I'm working for the printing, for example, but I wanted to work for the RGB, for the web. So I'm doing my color stuff, for example pink like this. Alright, and I'm like, oh sugar man, I'm working on CMYK, but I wanted to work on for the web. So it's simple. Alright, you are going just in file and document color mode and RGB. Okay, so it's good. If for example it's the inverse, you were working in RGB mode, but you wanted to work in CMYK, and for example you are choosing color, you do the same stuff, color mode CM, boom. But unfortunately the color change, so you have to choose again the good color. Alright, okay, so for us it's RGB color mode. Good. Alright, so we are done for the settings inside Illustrator.